Joe here today. I'm going to be breaking down some beef tenderloin. I got my JVR Industries Vac100 chamber sealer. We're going to be sealing it all up with that. Got some chamber sealing bags. I got my Broad and Taylor knife sharpener here. It's going to keep everything sharp. Let's see. I'm using a Mercer, just a nice little beef trimming knife, as I call her. They call her, just a what I call my little butcher knife that I like for taking the silver skin off. But anyway, we're going to get started. Big project today. I got about 32 pounds of beef tenderloin. We're going to break down and seal up with a Vac100. Here's what I got. Like I said, about 32 pounds of beef tenderloin bagged up in these bags, about 2 or 3 tenderloins per bag. I'm going to get it out in that tray to kind of drain. That way, it's not so wet. All the, myoglobin and stuff spilling around when I'm trying to clean it up. I've set my beef out here on the table. It's like 28 degrees outside today. And just like back in the old country, you do your beef slaughter and your pork or whatever on these cold days. That way you can utilize being able to set stuff out and have a lot more room. Don't have to worry about things getting too warm. So I just got done with my first tenderloin. I got 8 nice sized fillets. That's some trimmings for like beef stroganoff, and that's just the silver skin and stuff that I'll feed to the animals. But yeah, good yield. Keep it going. So here's what we ended up with. Got a bunch of nice fillets. Got some good stew meat or beef stroganoff meat. There's my trimmings, just silver skin and stuff. We're gonna get that on the Vac100. See all this up and get it in the freezer. Man, it's good stuff. Show y'all how this process works. I can put 2 of these small bags. I believe these are 4 by 12s. And I'll fit about 2 nice sized fillets per bag. And then I just basically watch this, and when I see it get up to about 97, I mean, you let it run the whole cycle, but I just cut it off. That's about all I need. So watch that. And I'm gonna put a link in the description box where you can get you one of these vacuum sealers. Now, this thing to me is the ultimate deal. I've had several of them. This is the one that's held out through the years. Again, I'm gonna wait till it gets to 97. All right, that's good enough. Push the down button and watch your little seal here in just a second. There it goes. You ready to roll? You're all sealed up, ready for the freezer. Here's our total yield here. We got 30 really nice sized fillets and 2 packs of that stew meat out of those, so roughly 32 pounds of untrimmed tenderloin. So I'm happy with it. So glad I had the Vac100. Seal this up again. I'll put a link in the description box. It'll have you guys a coupon code. If you use that link, help you out a little bit. But yeah, just wanted to show this to you. Good thing to do on a cold day.